In Alma, monthly usage data refers to the counter-compliant usage statistics of electronic resources. By tracking which resources are being heavily used versus those gathering digital dust, your library can optimize spending and focus on materials patrons actually need. Counter reports can be harvested automatically from the vendor using the SUSHI protocol or loaded manually into the system. These updates occur on a monthly basis, and you'll want to make sure the loading of reports was successful and not failed or completed with errors. In this session, we'll look at the monthly usage data dashboard, where you can quickly understand the status of each month's harvest. You can access the monthly usage data dashboard in two ways: via Analytics, out-of-the-box Analytics. Find the monthly usage data dashboard and click on it for a preview of the report and a link to the full report. Alternatively, open Analytics, access Analytics. In Oracle Analytics, click Open, and under Shared Folders, Alma Usage via Counter Reports, Release 5, Dashboards, select Monthly Usage Data, and click to open on the right. Here we can follow the status of every monthly harvest of usage data. We can select which year to view and filter the table by various criteria, including measured by, which is the type of counter report, and platform, which is the vendor. In the monthly usage data table, we can see for each vendor the various counter reports available. For each month, we can see if the report was loaded successfully. A red cell indicates no report was loaded. Of course, all future months are red. Past months that are red can indicate harvesting failure and require troubleshooting on your part, such as manual load of the file. Months where a report was successfully loaded are indicated by the number of files loaded, which is 1 in our case. You can click this number for the file details, where you can see the usage measures total and the title identifier count. A final note: Alma users with the usage data operator role can also see the monthly usage data within Alma under Acquisitions, Load Usage Data, Monthly Usage Data. This table is similar to the one we've seen in Analytics, and if needed, reports can be uploaded from the Uploaded Files tab. The advantage of having the dashboard in Analytics as well is the ability to schedule the dashboard and share it with other library staff. By making sure the harvesting of monthly usage data is successful, your institution can make better informed decisions on e-resource subscriptions.